Why, hello, and welcome to College Reading. I'm Miss America, or Mrs. G, because some people get intimidated when I say I'm Miss America, but I don't wear my crown and I don't wear a sash, so there's that. So, you're taking an online class. You know what that means? You have to be a highly self-motivated person, and procrastination cannot exist. Now, it's Friday night, and I'm a loser. It's 6 o'clock, and if you hear dogs barking or boys in the background, because I'm a single mom, at least 90% of the time. I have a husband. He travels 300 days of the year. So from what I've read about you guys and some of the emails you've sent me, a lot of you are single moms. A lot of you are single dads. A lot of you are non-traditional students, and that's why you picked the online environment. So like you and I, we will be cramming in any minute we can to find a second where we can be online. Don't forget there's a Canvas app you can use, and that comes in pretty handy from time to time. I'm out here and I think I look somewhat friendly, so don't be intimidated to email me up to a billion times a day. Now, do realize that my emails will only get answered Monday through Friday and give me at least 48 hours to get back to you. Because as a single parent and with the online environment, that allows me a little bit of flexibility in my classroom schedule. Saturdays and Sundays, I'm usually on the computer at least once, depending on what's going on. If there's a soccer tournament, which there is this weekend despite the freezing cold and snow, I'll be at my son's soccer tournament most of the weekend and won't have a chance to be online. Now I have the app, and if there is an emergency, I do see when emails pop in and try to get back to you within that 48-hour window. Now, the first week has already come due. It was due yesterday, but some of you didn't realize that class had started. Don't worry, you still have time. I'm not that big of a stickler. Well, I am actually. I give you 2 weeks notice. After 2 weeks, it becomes a permanent zero in the gradebook. This is a 12-week class, so it's kind of like college reading on crack. You got to move at a pretty fast pace. If you need anything, I'm out here in cyberspace. And with that, I hope you enjoy the first week of school. We'll be in touch.